At Thorpe Park today. It's great to be back on the island. I am joined with Luca and Kika. You guys have been to Guardland before, so Guardland's another Merlin park, so it's owned by Thorpe Park. I'll be interested to see how you guys think of Thorpe compared to Guardland. It'd be quite cool. But yeah, we're here to check out the Black Mirror Labyrinth, which is brand new for the 2021 season. And then for me, I want to check out Ghost Train and The Walking Dead because it's rides I've never done before. So we will go get some tickets sorted for Black Mirror and Ghost Train, and then we'll probably head over to Saw before the queues get really busy for it. Just got off a great ride on Saw. It was, rather than being rough and stuff before, it was actually quite smooth and enjoyable. So yeah, gonna go over to Black Mirror Labyrinth and sort out some tickets because we couldn't get them sorted over at the Dome because it's not too clear how to do that. So gonna go sort that out now, and then probably work our way over to Colossus or one of the other coasters. So we'll see you then. So we have had a big change of plan here. We went to Black Mirror Labyrinth and all the time tickets are booked today. Went over to Derren Browns Ghost Train. The time tickets are also booked up for that. The Walking Dead at the moment is currently down. Hopefully it opens up later today, so we can get that number 75. While we wait for that to happen though, we're going to go over to the Swarm, which is similar to Raptor at Guardland for Luca. And yeah, we'll see you after the Swarm and see you then. We have just got off of a great ride on the Swarm. It's always rides well, it's smooth, enjoyable. I managed to get on the back row. Luke and the guys managed to get on the second row. We're going to go check out Detonator, which is the Fabry drop tower over here, and then we're probably going to have a look at Stealth or food. So we will see you after Detonator. We have just come off of a brilliant ride on Detonator. It's always good to get on that. We're going to look at getting some food and work our way over to Stealth, which has got one of the smallest queues on park today. So yeah, great ride in Detonator. Catch you after Stealth. Welcome welcome back. You joined me after lunch and a ride on The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead was good. It's one of only 2 Vekoma Enigmas in the world, so it was really cool. Now queuing up for Stealth. So I'm really excited to get back on it again, show it to Luca and Rika, and yeah, we'll see you after Stealth. We just got off a beautiful, majestical ride on Stealth. It was amazing. Back row. The airtime you get when you go over that top hat is phenomenal. The launch is just incredible. Yeah, Stealth's the best thing here still. Heading on over to Colossus because that's on a 45-minute queue. Gonna come back and do Nemesis Inferno, and then because Stealth's on a short queue time, we're going to come back over and do a couple more rewrites on that. But yeah, we'll see you after we do the first 10 inverting coaster, Colossus. We just got off a rather bumpy, rough and rattly ride on Colossus. Wasn't the best. Heading back over to do a Stealth ride as Nemesis Inferno is on 45 minutes and Stealth's on 20, and it's fantastic. So we will catch you after Stealth and see you, catch you after Stealth. Yo, so Mel previewing. Hello. Are you doing? You okay?
Yeah, it's been alright.
Yeah. Your ride count's pretty good so far today.
Sorry?
Your ride count's pretty good so far.
Yeah, I've done alright. Done like all the coasters nearly. Did Black Mirror, which was not very good. Don't do it. You have to queue ages, and it's not very good at all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say.
It was a bit. The booking for Black Mirror and Derren Browns is a bit annoying. By the time we got we got told to go to the actual attraction itself and then book, and by the time we got there, all the tickets were gone. So it's a little bit annoying when something drags you to Thorpe Park and then you're here and you can't do the experience. It's a little bit annoying. But we are going to go over to. We got a couple of fantastic rides on Stealth. That launch is so forceful. Going to go over to The Walking Dead now and get that on again. And do Swarm and Nemesis Inferno, so we'll catch you after that. Just got off a ride on The Walking Dead, it was good.
It's alright. Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. This is it from today. We're going to finish the ride with a ride on Rush, either Swarm or Colossus, and then on the Florida ride.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye bye. We're back. So We missed getting on Ghost Train and Mirror last time I was here, so come back to do both of them. We managed to get tickets today. So about to go to Ghost Train, so we'll see you after that. I just got off Derren Browns Ghost Train. Yeah, that was, I don't want to go too much into it because, you know, but that was amazing. Was scary, I was scared, I sweat a little bit, but yeah, it was like nothing I've ever been on. Completely immersive. Yeah, it was really good. Next up is Black Mirror for the time slot, so I will see you after Black Mirror. And that is everything for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Small recap, we did get on Saw, Colossus and Rush reviewing. Saw, Ewan showed me how to ride that so it's comfortable, so when you sat in the middle too with the back row, it's quite enjoyable. Then today I got on Ghost Train, which blew my mind. Ghost Train was amazing. And of course I got on the brand new for 2021 season Black Mirror Labyrinth. It was interesting. Yeah, I'd be interested to see how it, like, what they do with it going forwards when they can have like some more actors in there, a bit more immersion. But all the technical stuff in there was really cool. But yeah, it's good. It was I enjoyed it. But yeah, that's everything. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe if you want to see more. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.